Hello all of my friends. Today we are discussing about anatomy and physiology, important 30 questions and answer. Page 2. First question. What is meaning of sprain? Option A, cartilage of nasal supports the nose. Option B, eye pain. Option C, pulling of ligaments. Option D, production of blood cells and platelets. And correct answer is option C, pulling of ligaments. Next question. What is synaptic joint? Option A, move a bone away from the midline. Option B, joint which allows no movement under normal condition. Option C, allows movement within a single anatomical plane or axis of motion. Option D, none of them. And correct answer is option B, joint which allows no movement under normal condition. Next question. Frontal plane divides the human body. Option A, equal left and right halves. Option B, upper and lower body part. Option C, unequal left and right halves. Option D, anterior and posterior portions. Correct answer is option D, anterior and posterior portions. Next question. The anatomical term opposite to distal is option A, proximal. Option B, medial. Option C, superficial. Option D, caudal. And correct answer is option A, proximal. Next question. When structure and function coordinate, the human body gets a relative stability. This is called option A, anatomical integrity. Option B, releasing a neurotransmitter. Option C, homeostasis. Option D, caudal. And correct answer is option A, anatomical integrity. Next question. Which of the following pain is seen? Hepatitis. Option A, wrist pain. Option B, shoulder pain. Option C, abdominal pain. Option D, lumbar pain. And correct answer is option C, abdominal pain. Next question. Which of the following sensitive to changes in temperature? Option A, stratum corneum. Option B, cyanosis. Option C, thermoreceptors. Option D, mechanoreceptors. And correct answer is option C, thermoreceptors. Next question. Which of the following adaptations would increase the surface area of a cell? Option A, increased number of mitochondria. Option B, increased number of ribosomes. Option C, presence of microvilli. Option D, increased number of channel proteins. And correct answer is option C, presence of microvilli. Next question. How many lobes are present in left lungs? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 2. Option D, 6. And correct answer is option C, 2. Next question. For blood clotting in body, which is most important things? Option A, heparin. Option B, blood platelets. Option C, RBC. Option D, serotonin. And correct answer is option B, blood platelets. Next question. The saliva helps in the digestion of option A, vitamins. Option B, proteins and amino acid. Option C, starch. Option D, water. The correct answer is option C, starch. Next question. Cardiac cycle takes how much time to complete? Option A 0.4 second, option B 0.8 second, option C 0.6 second, option D 0.2 second. And correct answer is option B 0.8 second. Next question. Which of the following bone known as a shoulder bone? Option A clavicle, option B radius, option C scapula, option D scaphoid. And correct answer is option C scapula. Next question. A freely movable joint is called option A prime movers, option B diathletic, option C fixators, option D none of them. And correct answer is option B diathletic. Next question. From where circulating hormone are released into bloodstream? Option A exocrine glands, option B sebaceous gland, option C endocrine gland, option D adrenal glands. Correct answer is option C endocrine glands. Next question. Which tissue always form a surface in body? Option A muscle tissue, option B epithelial tissue, option C nervous tissue, option D connective tissue. And the correct answer is option B epithelial tissue. Next question. Breastbone is also called option A ilium, option B pubis, option C sternum, option D radius. And correct answer is option C sternum. Next question. Which blood vessel is best suited for exchange of gases and nutrients with the surrounding tissue? Option A vein, option B heart, option C capillary, option D venule. And correct answer is option C capillary. Next question. What is the voice box in human body? Option A vagus nerve, option B hypoglossal nerve, option C larynx, option D epidermis. And correct answer is option C larynx. Next question. Largest nerve of human body is option A trochlear nerve, option B sciatic nerve, option C radial nerve, option D ulnar nerve. And correct answer is option B sciatic nerve. Next question. What is the another name of red blood cells is? Option A neutrophils, option B leukocytes, option C erythrocytes, and option D eosinophils. And correct answer is option C erythrocytes. Next question. Which of the following is not derived from the ectoderm? Option A adrenal medulla, option B epidermis of skin, option C liver, option D nervous system. And correct answer is option C liver. Next question. Cholesterol is transported from the peripheral tissue to the liver by option A the lymph, option B LDL, option C HDL, option D white blood cells. And correct answer is option C HDL. Next question is all of the following bones from the skull except the option A hyoid bone, option B nasal bone, option C lacrimal bone, Option D, maxillary bone. And correct answer is option A, hyoid bone. Next question. The enzyme pepsin digest. Option A, fat. Option B, vitamins. Option C, carbohydrate. Option D, proteins. And correct answer is option D, proteins. Next question. Which of the following master gland of endocrine system? Option A, anterior pituitary gland. Option B, posterior pituitary gland. Option C, optic diagram. Option D, median eminence. And correct answer is option A, anterior pituitary gland. Next question. Vasomotor center is situated in which portion of brain? Option A, cerebellum. Option B, middle of oblongata. Option C, blood vessel. Option D, cerebrum. And correct answer is option B, medulla of oblongata. Next question. How many main lobes are present in each side of brain? Option A, 2 lobes. Option B, 4 lobes. Option C, 6 lobes. Option D, 8 lobes. And correct answer is option B, 4 lobes. Next question. Which of the following is an example of saddle joints? Option A, shoulder joint. Option B, wrist joint. Option C, knee joint. Option D, carpometacarpal joint. And correct answer is option D, carpometacarpal joint. Next question. Which of the following prevents food and drink from entering trachea? Option A, incisor. Option B, epiglottis. Option C, uvula. Option D, esophagus. And correct answer is option B, epiglottis.